Ay, may naisip akong idea. Sobrang random lang nito. Since wala pa nga kaming internet, pulado pa rin, no? Mag-1 week na wala kaming internet. Pero ngayon lang pumasok tong idea na to habang natutulog ako. Na-visualize ko lang. What if gumawa ako ng weekly vlog for myself? Not just for a content, but I think for, mga random thoughts, mga ideas, and to record myself in a way na may enjoy ko siya in the future, na pag pinanood ko tong video na to, puta, na ganun pala yung experience ko before, ganun pala yung thought process ko. Again, my goal is not to entertain, but rather it will become my video journal, like parang a record of my thoughts and feelings. Kasi ngayon, currently I'm 27 years old, and I decided na I will no longer use social media like Instagram, Facebook. Lahat ng mga accounts ko is naka-deactivate na, and I'm planning to do it for the next 5 years. Deactivate lang. I don't know what will happen to my accounts. Possible na masarado na sila forever, or nag-check naman ako sa internet, and sabi naman as of na wala namang limit si Meta kapag disable mo yung account mo. I mean, kapag deactivate mo. So parang ang positive kasi ng feeling niya ngayon, since wala kang nakikitang ginagawa ng ibang tao, hindi nila nakikita yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo rin nakikita ginagawa nila. Sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam. Feeling natin kasi, well, as a social media native, feeling mo kasi nagpe-perform ka kapag laging may nakasubaybay sa mga kilos mo. But right now, the freedom that I have, because wala akong social media, for another reason, kukwento ko sa ibang part ng video na to. Pero yeah, sa tingin ko, isa sa mga good epekto na nakapag-concentrate ako, and if ever, kahit mga 10-minute video lang per week na vlog ng recap ng week ko, hindi naman dapat need sobrang grande na mga pangyayari. It's just that kapag meron akong good idea na naisip, i-compile ko siya for a week review. Like for example, from Monday to Saturday, ano yung mga ganap ko. Kung kaya kong magkaroon ng at least specific content for a day, hindi rin siya need na i-upload ko agad. Like kung daily vlog, sobrang nakaka-stress yun kasi kailangan mong matapos yung vlog daily. Pero kung weekly siya, medyo manageable. Kasi kung kunyari, if ever, praise to God, hopefully, magka-work na ako this month or next month. And syempre, may iba yung schedule ko nun. Unlike ngayon, unemployed ako at walang friends. Sa tingin ko, mas may freedom akong gumawa pa. Marami pa akong time. Kita niyo, bagong gupit pala ako, by the way, guys. Pero yun lang naman naisip ko, parang na-excite ako ngayon. Na-feel ko na parang this will be a good idea. My goal again is not to gain viewers, to have a good quality, like content. My goal is just to have something to look back if I will be able to see it like in the next 5 to 10 years, and how life evolves around me. Because right now, if you lose everything, you have freedom to create anything. Wow, quotable quotes. So yun lang. That's my thoughts.